Looking to design stunning galleries for your WordPress website? Want cool hover effects that captivate your audience? For free? Today, we'll show you how to create eye-catching galleries using Elementor and the Pixel Gallery add-on. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have Elementor installed. Next, let's install the Pixel Gallery add-on. Head over to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Pixel Gallery. Hit Install and Activate. Pixel Gallery is the first Elementor-based WordPress gallery add-on designed to make creating stunning image galleries effortless. Simply drag and drop the gallery widgets onto your web page, and you'll have amazing WordPress galleries ready in minutes. After activating the plugin, navigate to the plugin settings and ensure that all gallery widgets are enabled. In this video, we will be using the Walden style gallery. Once you're in Elementor, drag and drop the Pixel Gallery widget onto your page. Look at all these customization options, perfect for showcasing images your way. Upload your images or select them from your media library. Pixel Gallery allows you to adjust columns, spacing, and image ratios. You can easily add a title for each image or include links to each item. I will also add a pop-up effect to each gallery item. Follow my steps for a seamless implementation. From the settings, adjust the grid styling to suit your preferences, reduce the row and column gap, and set the item height if necessary. Additionally, you can hide any gallery elements that are not required. From the Style tab, you can customize the hover layer color and tweak other settings to match your design preferences. If you're happy with your settings, don't forget to hit Save Changes. Then preview your live page to see the magic in action. And there you have it, a stunning, trendy gallery with beautiful hover effects designed in Elementor using the free Pixel Gallery add-on. It's quick, it's easy, and it's perfect for any website. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials. See you in the next one.